So I woke up few minutes back, 30 minutes maybe. First I went out, I had a tea, then came back, got freshened up and giving these details. Now is somewhere around 11:02. So I'll tell you what the real thing is. This sextortion woman has a way of portraying men are dogs. What about their men from their house? I'll tell you how they are, what their acts are, and what they are portraying of. It's completely reversed. So I did animation and filmmaking in Pune. Then I came back to Bombay. I wrote The Content Street. But the first thing in Dell which I did was edited Devil Rocky, and within 4 minutes, someone steals it. Within 4 minutes. So who is dog here? Sextortion bitches or the one who made that Devil Rocky? Who is it? Then Lenovo, the LAN server thing, dark web shit, takes control in their hand, does the bank fraud and all this shit. Who is the dog? So Devil Rocky, which was made in 2014, somewhere in Feb, the first thing which I did, within 4 minutes it got stolen. So when I found out about all this stuff that they got into my devices, surveillance and everything, they were showing my entire family naked to the entire town. Who is a bitch and who is a dog here? Who is a bitch and who is a dog here? When I came to know about this, I went to the police station and asked for forensic report and check of my all the devices. You can find it in court petition as well. These sextortion women are providing sexual bribes to not only to my friend, but to stop the forensic reports, to stop the bank fraud, to come, what do you call it, the bank fraud investigation. Who is a dog here and who is a bitch here? If I have done something, why would I go to police and ask for forensic report? Police easily, directly said, no, you don't need any. You do whatever you do. Why police said this word? So, who is being a bitch and who is being a dog here? Huh? Who, what do you call it? They have created race riots, race rage. And I am the guy who gave copyrights to the entire country so that the one who does the scam, bank fraud, sextortion, so the entire country will punish them. Who is a dog here and who is a bitch here? You know who the real bitches are here? Who those real bitches are? The real bitches are the men from their house who are fed by their sextortion woman, and they sell their ass for money. Confession is out there. Those are men in days. Night, those are the trans hookers. Stealing documents till identity, till everything, work till everything. So, who is being a bitch and who is being a dog here? Who is being a bitch and who is being a dog here? They just gotta say something to loot someone. They just gotta portray something to loot someone. Who is the bitch? Who is the dog here? I go. 3 years they didn't see me with any woman. What they'll defame me of? They won't. They cannot. I went into their prostitution racket. I exposed I got their confession. That those are the men in days, and night those are the trans hookers, and their wives may be working in bank and they might be working in bank. That's how they are connected to bank. Who is a bitch and who is a dog here? Who got that confession? So they have to say something to loot someone. They have to say something. They are portraying me. I give the copyrights to the entire country and they want to say, portray me bad. Huh? And who are those? As selling for what? As selling for money, and for stopping investigation, stopping forensic reports, stopping bank fraud investigation. They're providing sexual bribe. To get those animated papers, they have provided sexual bribe to my paying guest. They don't have 10 to 50 lakhs to pay for those animated papers. They were providing sexual bribes all over in town. Who is being a bitch here? Who is being a dog here? You still gotta understand this stuff.